Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make really easy healthy salad full of flavor and goodness of Mother Nature. For making this salad, we will need garden greens. Here I am using arugula and spinach. You can even use lettuce or whatever is available depending on your location and season. Some chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, thinly sliced onions, chopped walnuts, pumpkin seeds, hemp seeds, dried figs, and goat cheese. We are adding figs for some sweetness, so if you don't have figs available, you can also use some dates, dried apricots, raisins, or dried cranberries. For the dressing, we will need olive oil, apple cider vinegar, pink salt, black pepper, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Add onions, tomatoes, and cucumbers into the bowl. Now toss in the figs, pumpkin seeds, walnuts, hemp seeds. Add goat cheese, salt and pepper. In the end, pour the dressing and mix it well. Now enjoy your crunchy, green, delicious and healthy salad. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.